In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with random players in Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to play Minecraft multiplayer with random players is to make sure that you are signed into a Microsoft account, tap play, and in here, swap over to the servers tab. Of course, if you are trying to play with random players, you will be able to find them on different servers. You also have the option to bring a friend along, but for this video I'm going to assume that you are alone and you just want to meet random people to play with. But as I just said, you can go ahead and add friends using their gamer tag before starting if maybe both of you want to play with random people together. Regardless of which option you select, just make sure that you go over to the servers tab and in here you can browse through the most popular servers. I believe this is the most convenient way to meet new people that you can play games with inside of Minecraft. Alternatively, you can also scroll down and tap add server. You will get this warning, but as long as you proceed, you can include the details about external servers. So maybe there is a minigame server or a present server or PvP whatever server that you want to play in and they are not under the featured servers. This is where you can add them to the list so you can join them and play with random people. Regardless of which option you choose, either adding an optional server at the bottom or choosing from one of the featured ones, you will be able to join the servers and proceed. And then afterwards you can play Minecraft with random players on Android. You might have to download some additional packages, and as long as this process is done and you join the server, you can start using chat and other communication options to talk to people and play together. So I'm just going to wait for this download to finish and show you how it looks, but it is very straightforward. You will be connected and be able to interact with each other inside of the server. Once you finish connecting to the server, you will load in and immediately you can explore all of the options. Of course, if you are joining a server from the featured section, you might notice that you have plenty of options to choose from and some custom texture packs. But if you are joining maybe a private server from a friend or different types of servers, you won't have all of these features here. In the lobby, you can walk around, you can use chat to talk with other people. You should see them hanging around regardless of which option of server you join, and you can use the chat functions at the top to talk to them. It's very simple to do, and everything will always be available for you to use as long as you have a Microsoft account properly set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with random people on Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.